Hi, I am here with Demme Learning. I have received their spelling level F, and I'm going to be doing my unboxing and later do my review of their spelling UC. So I received this in the mail. Sometimes get a lot more tape. And as I'm opening this, I have used this product before, and that's why I'm so excited to show it to you, and all the things that it can bring to your spelling program at home, especially with your learners that might be a little hesitant for spelling. So when I unboxed it, this is what you will receive. You receive the teacher portion that gives you all the teacher parts, and I can show you a little bit more of that. There's actually a code on there, so you can go online and look at some other things. They also gave you a little program of different things that they're new and upcoming. You got a mag log, so you can go through and look at all their products. And then the biggest part of that is the spelling part. And let's open this up. So most of their spelling books are in part 1 and part 2. And I believe there's 36 weeks. So we'll look at that in just a second. In here, you also find erasable Crayola pencils. These are phenomenal because when I show you kind of what you're going to be doing with this, you need these. These are a great tool. So when I come back and do my other video where I'm going to be showing you more of the curriculum, but yes, you get a part 1 that is a lesson 1 through 18, and it's got pictures along. It goes along with different topics. Level F is ancient achievements. So if you're working on ancient times, like we're doing world history, this is going to go really well with our curriculum this year. And then they have part 2 that came along with it too. And it goes all the way to level 36. When I come back and do my review of the actual spelling, I will also show you all the ways that this has helped my children become better spellers. So when you receive this, make sure that you don't lose the sticker, because I've done that in the past. So when you unbox it, I usually take the sticker off and tape it inside of this booklet. So that is the unboxing for Demme Learning Spelling UC Level F. And I will be back with you on further. We're going to dive into this and see all the great things that this program has to offer. This is Dawn Spence, and I'm the teaching manager at SPED Homeschool.